body look good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome, wagwan. You can go on ahead and subscribe down below. So today's video is going to be a short natural hair styling, and I am trying to find products that works for my hair without irritating my hair. And that is because I have eczema on my scalp and on the left side of my arm. So today I'll be using the Lotta Body Shape Me Custard Jelly. And this is how the consistency of the jelly is looking, and it smells divine. And I'll also be using the Moisture Me Curl and Styling Milk. So before I use both products together, I mix them in the palm of my hands just to see how they work together. And as you guys can see, it's super clear, so I am super happy with that. Therefore, I shouldn't be getting any flakes or any type of white residue with how greatly they mix together. So that's what I realized with a lot of the products that I use. I want to make sure that I mix them out to see how they work together, because not every product with every brand work well. Usually I work on dripping wet hair, but after I took a shower and washed my hair, I did my makeup, so my hair is dried out. So I'm just gonna re-wet my hair with my spray bottle with water. So now I'm just adding the milk into my hair, and it helps with detangling and containing frizz, which will work well with the custard. Now I'm using my Denman brush to detangle my hair, get them curls popping together. And so I won't be finger coiling. I just want to see how the raw product works on my hair, how much my curl pops with just the product without any finger coils, without any twisting, without any type of anything, just raking the product in my hair. And to my surprise, it's super defining. Like, I like how my natural curls just pop out with just applying the product as is on my hair, as you guys can see. So what I realized the last time that I used this product, I did get a lot of, not a lot of, but there were some white residue, and it was because I used my As I Am leave-in conditioner. Not leave, yeah, I used my As I Am leave-in conditioner with it, and it didn't work so well. So I'm glad that I got the Style Milk, so they work well together. So you want to make sure when you're applying the product to each section, even though we're not finger coiling or twisting the hair, you want to make sure when you're raking the product through your hair, you do it as much as possible. Just like when you're lotioning your skin, and you don't just leave the lotion on top of your skin, you actually work it in. So you want to work in the product so that it's dried easy, so it dries easier and you have less residue on top of your hair. So I'm just gonna apply this to everywhere on the top here. And usually with this tapered cut, I know it has a little bit of a weird shape right now because it's been over a month since I got this cut, so my hair is just growing out. But I usually do the top of the tapered cut before I do the bottom half, because I want the top to dry before the bottom. The bottom is really easy and simple. I could do it in less than 5 minutes, but the top, it takes more attention and more time. So you guys can just watch and see how I do the rest of my hair. What I have noticed with this product is that it leaves my hair feeling super soft. I don't have to worry about flakes or tangling or too much residue, as long as you mix it with the right product, as I said before. And that is the only problem that I had with it, was how it dried with the leave-in that I used. But again, as I said, when you're not sure about how two products or multiple products will work in your hair, just put a little bit of each product in the palm of your hand, mix them together, and see if it's clear once it's all mixed out. Now for the bottom half or back portion of my taper cut, it's super easy. All I have to do is spray water on the hair since it's all dry, and then just take the product with my fingertips, or my fingernails rather, and just rake the product through, and that's all there is to it. When I just cut my hair, it was super short in the back here, so I used the curling sponge to just make the hair coil up together, but it doesn't work because my hair is growing out now. So I just use my fingertips and just rake the product through, and this is like the easiest part of it because it's super, I can get it done like super fast. So as you guys can see, I just use my fingers to shape the hair how I'd want it and just play around with it. Now the final step for me, you can leave your hair as is, but if you are a slay edge junkie like I am, I use my pomade or any type of edge control that you have. You can go on ahead and just, you know, swoop to the soup, lay them edges, and yeah, that's basically it. If I wanted it to slick down a little bit more, I'd put some more of the edge control on the actual parting, but I was fine with how it looked. Like, I didn't mind it not looking too neat, just, you know, fixed up the edges a little bit, and that's basically all there is to it. Now this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've ever tried this product, let me know what you think of it in the comments section down below. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Damn That's Chev. All the details y'all need will be in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed, go on ahead and subscribe right now. I love y'all for watching. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.